Welcome to the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show. As in the heart, on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for Go TV. As soon as know, every weekday from 10 to 11 na Christmas. Sake of say, all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go drop them down, chook mouth inside, look every angle, give you license to put your own talk inside the matter so that those where the matter concern go hear Nigerians speak out and do the necessary thing when go move our country forward. My name na Ezo Gochokwodi, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well I stay concerning politics matter as in the heart.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. We don't carry that same Ogbonge program as the heart. Come your way today will be Thursday, January. And like we all know, today will not go different from the regulars, and we will give now informate and political issues where we say at least we as Nigerians will go do it, we go rub minds together and dissect and break them, talk about them so that in the end we know as we will take collectively they move this country forward. We will also open our phone line when that time reach so that at least our viewers, when they watch us on Go TV, go feed waiting, go also feel contribute for the matter so that at least we will know how far we are going. My name never see change. My name is Nkubi, and this is now As in the Heart.
On top of As in the Heart today, a very important discussion and we carry on. And we get one Ogbonge visitor when not join us inside studio to chook mouth inside the discussion. At the talk of veteran investigative journalist, that is to say, if you turn them upside down, now only two things go forth from your body: camera and biro. Sake of say, in the like they know all the inside when they inside every story. At the talk of no other than Oga Nicholas Ibekwe. Oga Nicholas Ibekwe, they with Premium Times. And everybody knows for that una level, una like to look inside every story.
Investigative.
Now the work on and now wait una call this word, can't do that. Oga Nicholas, we get one tradition on top of As in the Heart. We they like shake the hand of all our visitors them so that when we begin to ask the question, you know, go be like say we carry something for mind or with the quarrel. So I go shake your hand. Your hand strong.
No,
if you like
investigate, there is no point in asking whether your hand strong. Just accept it like that.
Oga Nicholas, we could just go straight into our matter today now. All of us recall, say, on the 30th of December, Wednesday 2015, Oga Presido for the maiden presidential media chat, when he answer some of the questions, in charge, Intel media people say, may them begin to do investigative journalism as it take concern issues when they affect us for inside of Nigeria, so that Nigerians go, they know the truth when they inside every matter. And some people come and talk say this thing when they talk now the right thing, because not be just small mouth people they use the talk say the media now the fourth estate of the realm. That is to say now them be the people when we say they stand as foundation when it come to government, because now them they stand as intermediary between the government and the people. Some other people come and talk say this thing when they talk no be new thing. Other people don't talk. So if we check the media where it gets some kind powerful people when we say they don't throw monkey hand inside the pot of soup of media. Come make and be like say people when they do bad thing, now then good, and people when they suffer the bad thing, now then bad. I don't go mention anybody name, but we know people when we say true propaganda.
Please.
Allow me do the introduction now.
No, please. I beg of you. I don't know. I say anytime we get guests on this program, at that time you go always feel like saying that it's the important pass.
Make I do the introduction. You understand what I talk?
No, please.
I call anybody.
Please.
Who could be? We never start on the start fight.
This respect the guests who will get for us. Address your matter to the viewers. Don't point at me.
Okay, sorry.
Don't make it look as if I'm be the guilty one here.
Okay,
please.
Sorry. Oh yeah, sorry. I don't keep my two hand to myself.
Please keep it to yourself.
Okay, sorry. We know and those when we
take mouth. Not take mouth. You know those. Let me you know those. You are even using mouth. You know those. Why they point them out? Why not point out to our guests there or point out to viewers? What is the meaning of that?
How will I land if you don't allow me to land?
No, land at the right place.
Okay.
Don't land at
okay, make her the look.
Thank you very much.
We know people when we say true propaganda and the spread of lie. They use and talk, say this thing like this, that thing like that, this one like this, one like that. And now it can't be like say, because they don't see say the thing no day like when they take they don't come out now and they talk say we could do them like this. You know what they talk. I don't mention anybody's name. So please don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that.
Okay, right now.
Over to you now. For several years, you don't do this thing. We get cases when we say, you yourself don't come out contact, say, okay, I need to know the truth of this matter. So that at the end, everybody mind go there rest. People will suffer the suffer. People will, so that justice go there at the end of the day. You think say this thing when Oga Presido talk, as some people don't talk, you think say na eye service abi really mean this talk when in talk?
Na good thing. Na wetin the president talk na a very good thing. It good make journalists they do investigative.
That is those of us when journalists when they always they talk true.
Make they do investigative journalism. But the funny thing be say politicians know they like investigative journalism.
Thank you.
So when the guy president will come out say, "Make we dey do investigative journalism," me I just laugh because when we begin to chook our eye
inside certain things,
they bring some things come out. Body no go do am well.
At all.
So now the truth be that. So investigative journalism good, na good thing. But and the way we talk am again, you be like say. For this country, of course, we did try. We never reach the level of some other places. But no be say because we know sabi how to do it. There are some things where they stop us from doing those things.
Thank you very much.
Now those matter now Oga President.
We need to address.
Supposed to address.
Thank you very much.
When they come and say, make we do investigative journalism.
Thank you.
Nobody say we don't want to do it. We dey try to do it.
Thank you. We dey try. We dey try.
No, we dey try. Those of us who dey try, they know who say they try.
We should try.
No, I am trying.
Which one you trying? Are you
I know
trying?
if it is what I don't uncover, I don't investigate. No, say I dey talk true. Okay, Oga Ibekwe, make we carry and go this way. Okay, for us to say we won't get efficient journalism, I mean efficient investigative journalism. Okay, we go at least we go see something like a relationship between the executive arm of government and the legislator. You understand? Like a pari passu, that's what they call it, a pari passu kind of this thing. Okay, but look now. Oga President, going by his background, say, okay, now from one kind of particular background, he come. He will say, then they tough. And then we can't talk this kind of thing. And look also look and say, okay, him, they represent the executive arm. Look, bring that to the legislators. That is people in the House of Rep and House of Rep and National Assembly. Okay, make we look the relationship of these two people. She it is say the relationship go fit establish, give room for that kind of thing to work. If Oga President they talk on that thing, and then our legislators get on that thing for mind. If you know it now, you try to talk. Consider the fact, say they try to propose one bill now. Where we say somehow the bill go people will do at least people like now you go not go back now.
The thing be say when we do our work as a journalist, we know the people where we owe story, where we owe word, now the people where they read us.
Thank you.
We know watching. President they talk, executive they talk, and House of Assembly they talk. You know, consign us. We get our own work where we want to. Our own, if matter happen, when injustice they somewhere, our own not to go there, dig that fact out, and present them the way we see them. Then we can't leave them to people to make their own judgment to say, oh, this fact now the fact we don't present with this. So make una judge with our mouth. So we don't hear all the whole talk when they talk, say they want limit social media talk, they want to do that one. That one really not concern us. We go do our own work.
Okay, but it not concern now. But somehow, it go still somehow make maybe say sometime a media personality or a media person if you just carry one kind of news, they'll come maybe behind pari passu do this abracadabra, cover them, can't say the person lie.
Make I tell you true. See, make I tell you, even for the country where we say. Now the worst dictator 9 days there. They need another person talk. Once you do PEM, they go carry you. They go come carry you for house. We happy for Nigeria now if you open our mouth, if we talk anyhow.
And we know the best way. We know the best way make it possible.
We feel insult people anyhow. But some countries in there will say once you cough,
I know.
Pick you.
Some hardened countries like that.
But still,
yes.
People think they do investigative journalism there. The fact of the matter be say you know go say because one alaye they won't try threaten you, or one mopo they won't try threaten you somewhere, make you no talk true. People go see we go see talk waiting we want talk. Then people have in those days when we get military regime, then a lot of journalists they arrest them, go lock them up. But people think they talk the truth, and if you not insist, they talk that truth since that time. They our organs them. We don't be as they talk that truth that time. The kind of freedom we would enjoy.
Now we're not gonna say I'm enjoy.
We will enjoy today. So make them they do what they want to do. As they don't start so, if not because the media self took math inside the matter say What I want to do this?
Exactly.
This one that they carry come so it makes sense. So now you see they don't mellow.
Very true. They don't calm down.
Their body don't do them chill. Small now. See you understand now because the whole graduate way you do before to push that this thing out. that guy don't
come down.
Even president himself don't say,
you know,
we don't get half for this thing.
You know,
we don't get half for this thing.
Thank you.
Even there's a person say, you think when they talk, don't be say we want limit the media. They don't change voice.
Their voice don't change, yes.
Now because say, as we smell the thing,
everybody come and talk immediately.
Come and talk and say, we don't go allow this kind of thing to happen. So now the role of the media be that. Now when we see bad thing for society, because man tell you the truth, we say bad thing always happen.
Very true.
No matter the law where you put
because we get bad people. We get bad people.
Bad thing will always happen. But now media for us to bring, and if you see bad person, you know they like make when they do bad. Make it a day for outside.
Thank you very much.
You don't talk
now this person you see so. Hey, this tall person we say just talk for nothing. When it comes to the level of that B where you mentioned, that B. Now
Nicolas, you see, you don't see the innocent man.
I'm
being victimized.
Now for your president here, we did where we say I no talk him, he carry the whole problem. They accuse me.
Now your conscience, now they judge you.
Which kind of conscience?
I call your name.
You're pointing at me. You pointing at me meant a whole lot.
Did I call your
body
name?
Language.
Okay, Nicolas, no need for us to even go far.
Okay.
This thing where you don't talk now, it make me sweet because whether you like them or not, the role of the media, now something when we say, they don't fit downplay them. Nobody fit just talk, say, now small work, because they do plenty work. Now, if we check now, one of the cardinal principles of journalism, now say, okay, you go get facts. Because we know those when we say they like to lie. Anything when an open man talk, now lie. Harmattan happen, they blame former president, say, na him cause am. Chicken escape for December, they blame former president, say, na him cause am.
Even for you not PDP, man.
No.
Thank you very much.
No.
Thank you very much. You have said it all. There's no point.
You not PDP.
No, I'm just talking.
Thank God say, you don't even notice what I be. I am neutral.
It's already clear.
What is clear?
It's already clear. It's written all over you.
Ask your question. Oga could not even know you.
Oga Nicolas, but you understand where they come from. Now, the role of the media, they talk say, okay, media are supposed to be independent. Through fair reportage, everything when they're supposed to do now say, okay, balance, you did like this. But we know, say, somehow, we get media we say government now they control them. Because government don't just allow, say, government they control. We can't get the ones when we say, you know,
somehow.
We know the hand of people when they inside, when they under,
side,
they control them.
Yes.
How you take things, say, we go put things in place. Maybe through form of legislation or to they check what the media they do so that those when we say they use the media, they use the talk say this, that. You know, we control that.
Make I tell you, the first thing we say, as media day, like for every other profession, even if you go hospital now, you can see some doctor where we say then they follow corner we do their work.
We know those ones we do and if they doctor.
And the same thing there for media too. So but see, anywhere in the world, when you don't take eye for media too much, now we think that they call censorship with that. So we don't want to make then the censor media. Free media. They go give media the right to talk within their one talk. But when media mess up, there are laws because see this country no be say media free you go come open your mouth
come talk anyhow.
Some person wey be say he no be thief you come put am for your front page say na thief.
Na true.
Because there are laws the person fit carry you go court. I mean there are cases in court where we say media houses they don't carry them go. If you look at during the campaign of election time,
something will play out. Yes.
Yeah, some people there for court now. Where listen to that because they believe that those things no be true.
No be true.
So then the court dey there for them.
Okay, look, may I chip this into this thing? Okay, consider the fact say during that election period, the media house will say they show say they're strong, carry out some propaganda where we say some kind of information we say Nigeria self not today happy with. Okay, more come bring up from this angle. If a particular media say, okay, look this media, say the file where they go attach on top of your head. If you commit this kind of thing, say Siamo, and the company say people will use you do this thing, don't give you all kind. You cannot elaborate this thing, and that it just maybe they give them confidence to say. It means in this kind of time they are not protecting the interests of the media; they are rather protecting, looking at
the interests of their principal,
their own self-interest. I to say this kind of law would be effective where they something where we say
the truth be say laws get as they go. When no matter we don't know how much anybody call collect. But once you mess up for somebody, like for the case with the court now, some people know because you know if you lock media house, because media house know be human being. So when you go court, say somebody carry bad news about you, you go write damages. Say now the amount where I lose, and the amount where this bad news where affect my business. Now the amount where you take, maybe I go find work for somewhere because of this your bad news, they don't give me the work, or because I get one business where I run, I lose like 15 customers, and for that 15 customer, maybe now 25 million. Now you're supposed to get for that time. You get right to put all that thing for your court case and say court. And so amount now I lost because of this bad news. If the court found the person guilty. Court will say, okay, that court will come decide, say, that amount where you quote, now the proper amount be that, the amount, you just carry an up small. So court will come decide, say, okay, if you quote, say, your money where you want na 50 million, court will say, okay, the way I see them, may then give you 30 million for inside. So now court will judge that one. So now you go look the kind of harm where it costs you. You know, concern you, what that person don't collect, or you know collect. Okay. Now you can go say, and this kind of harm, this news don't do me, and now this thing now I lose because of this news where they carry about me. Exactly. Once if you go court and say that news now lie, because you have to prove them first. True. Say that news now lie. Once court agree with you, say the news now lie. If you prove them for court convincingly, say the news now lie, court will decide what thing they go give you.
Exactly. Okay. Organicolas, we can come from this angle. If we talk about investigative journalism, some people they make it look like say something when they do for secret. You understand? Say investigative journalism and say you go they hide, they do them. We know say to investigate, not to search for, to find, to want to know. But the way when some people don't put on like say okay, investigative journalism now something when we say somehow you they feel catch person, they feel buy the person because of waiting they find. But in the end, if to bring out the truth, make everybody for society know, so that the society go be one when we say everybody go now truth, everybody go one hold. Yeah. You not think say certain things supposed they in place, maybe laws and the behavior of maybe people in the government to allow make people when they do investigative journalism they do their work where take for example we get Freedom of Information Act when we say former Presido Goodluck Ebele Jonathan under in government.
Must you exaggerate? Must you
exaggerate?
He don't ask you say, are you sure you're not this? You don't prove to us.
Which one be proof? I said former president. No,
what is wrong in saying that the former Presido or Goodluck Ebele Jonathan? Must you say good luck? They put strong punch on top of the name.
You know you're with Organicolas talk. I can take you to court. You see, you know how many customers?
Which
customers? This is where not organized. You know how many customers you don't pursue for my side?
Story. If you like, not talk. Story. Talk what you want to talk. Call your name normally the way you go call them. No call they try.
If like they don't ready to sell the 2 land when you get for village, just to settle me because you are attacking my personality. You want to defend my character.
You started the attack.
This is character assassination.
Thank you very much. Finally time after you know the law. So as long as you know the law, now your own problem with that. Ask the question we want to ask.
Organicolas, me I can't ask my question. And now you already ask this question. I know say now you go fear answer them. We know those when we say na propaganda and everything lie now that they use. Now you know think say we supposed to put certain things in place. Take for example now. Okay, I look say okay. This issue of say government or somebody when the government say now this so amount of money now we use one do road. I can't look say this same road they do it for maybe Ghana or they do it for Cameroon and we know how much they take do the road. Yeah. I can't say okay, well, I beg Ogano vessel. I need this kind of information from you. I suppose we get that information directly. I be because of saying investigative journalism, I go use backyard, go get the information so that because I know say if I go directly, they no go won't kill me.
Make we thank Oga Goodluck John.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Freedom of information because we know how long that thing during Obasanjo time with the thing they go back and forth.
Thank you.
Where they no sign up.
Thank you.
But just signing them alone, nobody did the thing.
Thank you very much.
The law they there. Now, government people, then they obey the law.
Let's ask them now. Let's ask them.
So as the law don't they there, so people, I know people we don't write letter to get information.
Thank you.
From government agencies and everything. Then go begin to play us Maradona.
You see him?
Back, left, right, and center.
You see
him? Get the facts. We need to get the what thing they happen really for the matter. So one thing we say, But the law also provides chance, say, now 7 days. If I give you 7 days, if you know, the law give chance, say, you feel come court.
Thank you.
Because they there for that law to say, if that request when you make, oh,
if they don't provide them,
if you come court, come complain.
Come complain, okay.
Say, I write so and so letter, say I want so and so informate. They no give me the informate. Court can't took match for this matter. So court go took match for the matter. If your request where you make now legitimate request, court go order those people. Say make them go provide you the matter. True. Now I make at the talk say, because you look at those things, even some parts we court don't order. People do just disregard.
They disobey.
I make at the talk the other say, you know too good. When President come for media chats or say he no go obey court order because of people do something, some people don't owe money.
Thank you.
Those things they affect because when they talk like that, other people say.
It also prove to us make other people violate the same court order.
The same court order. So that one now by the side. So we guess how we go take to them. Then investigative journalism no be within
they hide.
The hiding part they inside because for instance if I want to find something about you, if I don't say you want
about Nkubi,
if I don't say you want
now you use that.
Now you want no use them because now they do bad.
If I don't say you feel harm me, I need to come there announce say, hey, I don't find you say you chop money. I go first know how I go take find. So the secret part there. But no be saying we do like secret courts. No, that one will be but because everything where you find, after you find all your information finished, you will still come meet the person. So come ask and say, okay, now so and so and so I hear about you. Can you tell us your own side of the story? Because the story no go balance.
Exactly.
If you no go ask the person. For instance, if you call me thief now, say I thief money, or you say I collect your wife, you know go just cry, go newspaper, go public and say, asking me. Say I collect your. Maybe that day when you see me with your wife, maybe now Pepper, your wife come.
You see
out from my hand. You say you see me with your wife. So now, so you must come back to come ask me. So no secret for because how you could take guess because everything we do, we could simply put them out for what for public to read. Because when you do your investigation, nobody say you could do your investigation for you to put them for inside your pocket or hang them for your bed.
To put them outside, make the public know. Because people know the truth of
it. Make you say they clean, say yes, so you lay your hand, they clean.
The people will come say, okay, in talk this, in say in see this, in say in see this. What's it be improved? Oh, in see this document, in see this document. But if they had us, like I tell you, so if they had us to get information. Because there's something when they call whistleblowing.
Oga Nicholas, I don't know this. I know say you want to enter another stage. As you don't mention that whistleblowing. But quickly, we go rush, enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue on top of that whistleblowing. Meanwhile, I see they calculate all the things when I go slam.
Slam on top of your head.
Oh, you know my customers wait up for short. I will slam it on top of you.
No go break.
I will slam it on top of you.
Make we go this break. Go break.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.